really very happy that the PBL team owners and the clubs, as well as the UAAP teams, have allowed their players to participate in this in our national team this time around. We're really looking forward to a good blend of young players and veteran players to really come up with a better team that can compete in this ABC Challenge Cup.
Our target is to beat all of them. We have a formidable team now, a very good combination of PBL and UAP. We have to work hard, but we will fight to win.
Very excited kasi halos yung mga bata never ko pa naging teammate, and looking forward din ako kasi talagang mga fresh blood yung mga teammates namin and talagang powerhouse.
Masaya kami na ganun sila ka-matured na kahit sa ganung edad, ganun na sila gumalaw, like pang pro na.
Yeah.
And yun, we're very happy na sobrang siniseryoso nila yung laro, which is the way sila gumalaw.
No, the rookies, they're so strong. They're so experienced also in their own way. Watching them also in the UAAP, iba rin naman yung pagdala nila sa sarili nila. So, nadadala rin kaming seniors here in the national team. And every training, nasa challenge din kami. Na pantayan din kung ano yung mga nagagawa nila. Well, the team is good given the short preparation pa rin naman, but I think everyone has been doing their best the past trainings and will keep doing their best leading up to the competition.
And siguro ako, being part of the national team since noong 2017, parang may gusto pa akong patunayan. Mas madaming experience and mas mature na ako maglaro ngayon. And ready ako na i-share yon sa teammates ko.
From me and all the other seniors in the team, we will do our best na madala yung Philippines to better heights, not just this coming ABC but also in the years to come, especially leading to the SEA Games next year. So maasahan po namin ang suporta ninyo lahat.
I-lead lang yung mga bata kasi syempre sila yung mas may chance talaga na mas magamit dito sa liga na to. And kami mga seniors, support naman kami palagi. And ayun lang siguro yung kaya namin gawin is mag-feed ng mga positive advices, and syempre tulungan din sila to grow.
It's one of the best teams that we have formed, and I'm happy that we have UAAP players now in the national team, tall, young, so they're very hungry, and what is important is that they heed the call to play in the national team. This is very important.
To all the Philippine fans, thank you so much for supporting us in our stint this ABC. Maraming salamat po kasi ramdam na ramdam namin ang pagmamahal nyo throughout the years, and sana po magkita-kita tayo sa ABC.
Hello to all the volleyball fans. Please support Alas Pilipinas as we play at the ABC Challenge Cup this coming May 22 to 29. See you in Rizal Memorial Coliseum.
Iniimbitahan po namin kayong manood ng ABC Challenge Cup. Nasabi na po ni Don, and kita-kits na lang po tayo lahat.
So mga volleyball fans natin, panood po natin ang Alas Pilipinas Women's National Team is coming ABC Challenge Cup. Next week na po yan, May 22 to 29, pero ang first game po natin May 23 against Australia. So kita-kita po tayo sa Rizal Memorial Coliseum.